How to change language in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to change the display language in Windows 11. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, head over to the Start menu and open up Settings. And once you're inside the settings, at the left sidebar, simply click on Time and Language. Now here on this section, you can see the options labeled as language and region. So simply click on that. And after that, on the new interface, you'll see a list of language currently installed on your system. In my case, I have installed French language. So I'm going to simply click on the Windows Display Language drop-down menu. And once I click on that, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, I'm going to simply select the French language, and once I have selected it, you need to sign out and sign back in for the changes to fully apply. So I'm going to simply click on the sign out, and here once I am signed in, you'll notice that a lot of the interface is now in your selected language. So just a heads up, not everything will change. So some apps and icons might still show in English or the default language, but the core window interface should be updated. And that's it. That's how you can change language in Windows 11. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.